What if the most useful medicine in your home didn't come from a pharmacy, but from plants growing quietly in your calm backyard? Right now, there are medicinal plants that thrive in poor soil, survive neglect, and come back year after year, many of them used traditionally for centuries. Not delicate, not complicated, not high maintenance, just resilient plants that fit perfectly into a lazy garden lifestyle. Today, I'm sharing 15 medicinal plants you can grow with almost no effort and how they've traditionally been used to support wellness. Let's start with one of the easiest. 1. Calendula. The skin support flower calendula grows in almost any soil and reseeds itself easily, traditionally used to support skin repair and soothe minor cuts, scrapes, and irritation. Modern research suggests calendula extracts may support wound healing and reduce inflammation. Dry the petals, infuse them in oil, and you have a simple herbal skin oil. Plant once, harvest for months. 2. Plantain. The backyard first aid leaf. Not the banana, the common lawn weed. Plantain grows everywhere without care, traditionally used to support relief from bug bites, minor burns, and skin irritation. Crush a fresh leaf and apply directly. It's the ultimate lazy medicinal plant because you don't even need to plant it. And 3. Yarrow. The tough perennial protector. Yarrow thrives in dry, poor soil and spreads easily. Traditionally used to support wound care and minor bleeding, it's drought tolerant, pollinator friendly, and comes back stronger every year. Low effort, high resilience. 4. Lemon balm. The calm companion lemon balm grows aggressively and is almost impossible to kill, traditionally used to support relaxation, mood balance, and digestion. Some studies suggest lemon balm may help support mild stress relief. Plant it once, and you'll spend more time trimming it back than caring for it. 5. Comfrey. The external recovery herb comfrey grows quickly and returns every year. Traditionally used externally to support bruises, sore muscles, and skin recovery. Important note, comfrey is generally used externally only. It thrives in tough conditions and produces huge leaves with very little care. 6. Mullein. The wild respiratory support plant. You've probably seen mullein growing in empty lots. Tall stalk, soft fuzzy leaves, traditionally used to support respiratory health and soothe coughs. It grows in disturbed soil and practically plants itself. 7. Peppermint. The digestive classic peppermint spreads fast, very fast. Traditionally used to support digestion, ease bloating, and freshen breath. Best grown in containers unless you want it taking over. Minimal care, continuous harvest. 8. Echinacea. The immune garden staple hardy perennial, drought tolerant, traditionally used to support immune function. Modern research has explored its immune-supporting compound. It's ornamental and medicinal and thrives with very little maintenance. 9. Thyme. The tiny powerhouse. Thyme loves dry, rocky soil. It actually prefers being left alone, traditionally used to support respiratory health and digestion. Plus, it doubles as a culinary herb. 10. Sage. The perennial protector sage thrives in sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it barely needs watering. Traditionally used to support throat, comfort, and digestion, it's ornamental, aromatic, and extremely low maintenance. 11. Red clover. The meadow medicinal. Often considered a weed, red clover grows freely in untreated lawns and fields, traditionally used to support skin health and women's wellness. The flowers can be dried for tea. Sometimes the best plants are already there. 12. Oregano. The flavorful defender, drought-resistant and hardy, traditionally used to support immune and respiratory health. Research shows oregano contains compounds with antimicrobial properties. It grows vigorously and asks for almost nothing. 13. Lavender. The relaxation plant. Lavender thrives in dry conditions and dislikes overwatering, traditionally used to support relaxation and sleep. The scent alone makes it worth growing. Plant it in sun and leave it alone. 14. Marshmallow. The soothing root. Marshmallow root is surprisingly easy to grow, traditionally used to support soothing irritated tissues, especially throat and digestive lining. Once established, it requires very little maintenance. Gentle and resilient. 15. Meadowsweet. The traditional pain support herb. Meadowsweet grows in moist areas and returns yearly. Historically used to support pain relief and inflammation balance, it contains natural salicylate compounds related to the origins of aspirin. It's a beautiful plant with centuries of traditional use behind it. Here's the bigger idea. You don't need a complicated apothecary. You don't need fragile exotic plants. You need resilient systems. Plants that grow with minimal input. Plants that return every year. Plants that support your lifestyle, not add more work. That's what lazy garden living is really about. Not doing nothing, but choosing plants that do most of the work for you. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Which of these would you plant first? And if you're building a low-maintenance, self-sufficient garden, consider subscribing, because the best gardens aren't high effort, they're intelligently designed.